Think bad credit has a hold on your life? Think again. Master your credit and start living your dreams today. Remove negative items from your credit report in 5 simple steps. No matter how much money you have in the bank, if you have bad credit, you're going nowhere fast. It's such a humiliating thing to be refused for something on the grounds of bad credit, or penalized every time you even think so much as about purchasing something. Or even worse, denied the ability to get a new credit card or loan. The system sadly doesn't care about any of us, and the sooner we accept that, the sooner we can take action and actually start to control our own lives. You aren't the pawn or plaything of some credit company, so stop letting them run their life for you and talk down to you. Now, you can fight back. Your credit troubles can stop today. We've already established that these credit companies are nothing, just unhinged money grabbers, desperate for more control over people who have no choice. Or, so they think. They base their whole system of business on wearing you down. They use words very carefully to make you feel as worthless as possible, so they can treat you however they please. They know that if you start thinking about the reality of the situation and you have the right coaching, then you can remove their shackles and start living the way you want to, the way you deserve. You'll have all the tools you need to remove negative items from your credit report in 5 simple steps. The best part is that it includes amazing letters. These letters are much better than those you find normally in other packages that charge you an arm and a leg but never provide value. We are 100% confident that if you get our credit dispute package, you will see results or get 100% of your money back. 60-day ironclad guarantee. These letters give you 100% step-by-step instructions and are written around Federal Law Rule 609-15 USC subsection 1681G. These letters are 100% guaranteed to work, period. After grabbing this ebook, you'll no longer feel like you're being downtrodden. You'll no longer feel like the plaything of the fat cats. You'll no longer feel like you need to agonize and lose sleep over every single outgoing of your household. Finally, buy that new car you've been dreaming of. Get that new business loan to launch your new business idea. Buy that home of your dreams. Treat your family to all the things in life they deserve. You deserve the best in life, and Credit Bureau Secrets has the exact answers for you. It'll tell you in clear, concise ways exactly what you need to do to make the absolute most of life. Your bad credit will be an absolute thing of the past, and you can start to focus on the things that really matter in life. You'll be calling the shots from now on. You'll be making all the decisions. So start right now and make the best decision you've ever made. Buy Credit Bureau Secrets today and start along the path to make your dream lifestyle. Every minute wasted is another given directly to the creditors. So let us change your life today.
And here are the results. Let's take a look at this. Deleted, 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 deleted. 12 out of 14 items deleted. This new information right here, these are 2 items that didn't come off, but that's okay, because in round 2 we attack it again and we're going to get those 2 items off. But on the very first letter using the clean credit letter sent to TransUnion, 12 out of 14 items were deleted. How many times have you sent letters to the bureaus only to have them say verified? It's a letter and go to the post office. You can do this yourself. You don't have to pay people thousands of dollars to clean your credit. What would this do for your world right now? How much is having bad credit holding you back? If you're a business person, it is really holding you back. You can't get financing. You can't get a credit card. You can't get loans to expand your business, credit lines. You can't do anything. You can't buy real estate. And just as a regular person, you can't get a credit card. You can't buy a car. You have to go to a buy here, pay here lot with bad credit. You can't get a mortgage. You can't rent an apartment with bad credit. You can't even rent a car with bad credit. There's so many things you can't do when you have bad credit. And this letter has the ability in as little as 20 days to change all that for you. Now, certainly you're not going to get 100% of your items removed on the first letter. And you may, and some people, all results vary, but you may get a few items on the first letter. You may get a lot of items on the first letter, but you're not going to get everything. So you're going to go to round 2 and you're going to keep attacking it. But let's say within 30 to 60 days, you can wipe your own credit clean. Let me just tell you, it's a different world. It's an entirely different world to no longer be afraid of your credit. All same information for several $100s or several $1,000s. And there are companies that use this same information that will charge you hundreds and thousands of dollars to clean your credit for you. And you don't have to pay those people. You can do it yourself if you have the information. And I'm going to provide you the instructions on exactly what to do, and I'm going to provide you the exact letter that we used with the proof that you just saw. And I'm going to provide all of this to you today for only $97. That's it, complete. You get the instructions, you get the exact letter that we used. You can use this letter as many times as you like to clean all 3 bureaus, and you can do it yourself. That's the best part. You don't have to rely on anyone else. And to order now, just click on the link below. It'll take you to a checkout. You check out, it's going to redirect you to a website where you can download the instructions in the letter instantly. You are seconds away from getting this information and changing your life. You can have your letters typed up today and mailed out to the bureaus. In as little as 20 to 30 days, you can start seeing results, and you're on your way to having a clean credit profile that you did yourself and an entirely new world with having excellent credit. So I thank you so much for tuning in. Go ahead and click on the link now. I wish you all the best of success and good luck.